In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create these robot images by using Blender and Stable Diffusion's reference-only feature. This is how the scene looks like in Blender. I'm using the usual 512 by 512 image size with the workbench renderer, and I'm not using composite nodes. The reference-only feature is used by the AI to determine what needs to be produced. We can always ask the AI to generate an image, but sometimes it's very difficult to explain what needs to be drawn. By showing what we need, the AI can understand exactly what that is. In this example, I'm constructing a humanoid shape by using a primitive set of meshes. The idea is to generate an overall shape, so the AI can understand what we need. Please render this image in Blender and import it in Stable Diffusion. I'll share the full prompts in the description below. Isn't this amazing? The AI took our render image as a reference, and produced robot images to look like the render image. Let's adjust the prompt and produce similar factory robot images. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.